Everybody Says Meow by Constance Lombardo. Welcome to that magical time when everyone says meow. Ready? Meow. Woof. No, no, no. Everybody does not say woof. Everyone says meow. Got it? Woof. Can you say meow? Woof. Please say meow. Woof. Meow? Woof. New plan. Everyone says meow. One guy says woof. Are we ready? Meow. Woof. Ribbit. Did somebody say ribbit? I'm going to close my eyes and count to 3. And when I open my eyes, no more ribbits. 1, 2, ribbit. Bummer. Another new plan. Everyone says meow. One says wolf and one says ribbit. Ready? Meow. Wolf. Ribbit. Quack. Did you just say quack? Any chance you could say meow? Quack. Is that your final answer? Quack. Okay, welcome to that magical time when everyone says whatever they want. Meow, zzz, meow, 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 woof, ribbit, quack. Roar. Was it something I said? The end.